Hello children, open your e-notebook, open index page. Here you have to write today's date. Then in title column you have to write currency fill-ups. Then open new page. Here you have to write today's date. Then heading currency fill-ups. Today we are going to solve the fill-ups of currency. Number 1. Coin of 10 rupee is equal to dash coin of 5 rupee. Here there is one coin of 10 rupee. Here we have to find out how many coin we will take of 5 rupees to make 10 rupees. So first we will take one coin of 5 rupee. Then we will take another coin of 5 rupee. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So how many coins we need? 1 and 2. So 2 coin of 5 rupee we need to make 10 rupee. So here answer is 2. Next, 2 coins of 10 rupee is equal to dash coin of 5 rupee. Here there are 2 coins of 10 rupee. So here there are 2 coin of 10 rupee. 10 plus 10 is 20 rupees. So here how many coin we need of 5 rupee to make 20 rupees. So first we will take one 5 rupee coin. Then we will take another 5 rupee coin. So 5 plus 5 is 10, but we need 20 rupees. So again we will take one another 5 rupee coin. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So we will take another 5 rupee coin. Now we will add this 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So how many coins we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 coins of 5 rupee to make 20 rupee. Now next, number 3. 1 coin of 10 rupee is equal to dash coin of 50 paise. Here there are 1 coin of 10 rupee. Now how many coins we need of 50 paise to make 10 rupee? Children, you know 250 paise makes 1 rupee. If we have 250 paise, it means it is 1 rupees. 250 paise coins will make 1 rupee. So we need 20 coin of 50 paise to make 10 rupee. So here answer is 20. Then 4 number, 1 coin of 10 rupee is equal to dash coin of 1 rupee. So here there are 1 coin of 10 rupee. Here how many coin we need of 1 rupee to make 10 rupee? So we will take first 1 rupee coin, then another 1 rupee coin. 1 plus 1 is 2, but we need 10 rupees. So we will take another 1 rupee coin. So we will add this to 2 rupees. So it will make 3. We will add one more 1 rupee coin. So it will make 4. One more 1 rupee coin. Then it will 5. One more 1 rupee coin. To add this, so it will make 6. One more 1 rupees coin. Then 7. One more 1 rupees coin, 8. One more we will add 9. Then one more we will add. So it will make 10. So how many coins we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we need 10 coin of 1 rupee coin to make 10 rupees. So here answer is 10. Next, find number 1 coin of 10 rupee. Here we have 1 coin of 10 rupee is equal to dash coin of 2 rupees. So how many coins we need of 2 rupees to make 10 rupees? So first we will take one 2 rupee coin. Then we will take another 2 rupee coin. 2 plus 2 is 4. We have to make 10 rupees. So we will take another 2 rupee coin and we will add to this. So it will make 6. Again we will take 2 rupee coin and we will add, it will make 8. Again we will take one more 2 rupee coin. If we will add to this, it will make 10. So how many coins we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 coin of rupees 2 to make rupees 10. So here answer is 5. Now next, 6 number, 1 coin of 1 rupee and 1 coin of 2 rupee is equal to dash rupees. Here 1 coin of 1 rupee. So there is 1 coin of 1 rupee and 1 coin of 2 rupee. We have 1 coin of 2 rupees. Here they are asking how many rupees are there total. So 1 rupee and 2 rupee coin. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So here 3 rupees. So your answer is 3. Now next, 7 number, 1 coin of 2 rupee and 2 coin of 1 rupee is equal to dash rupee. So here 1 coin of 2 rupee. So here there is 1 coin of 2 rupee. 2 coin of 1 rupee. So here there is 2 coin of 1 rupee. So is equal to dash rupees. Now total how many rupees are there? 2 plus 1 plus 1. So there are total 4 rupees. So here answer is 4. Now next number 8. 2 coin of 50 paise and 2 coin of 1 rupee is equal to dash rupees. So here there are 2 coins of 50 paise. So first we will make 2 coin of 50 paise. So 250 paise we have drawn. Now 2 coins of 1 rupee. Now there are 2 coins of 1 rupee. So 250 paise will make 1 rupee. So this one is 1 rupee. Now we will add this 1 rupees coin to this. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will make 3 rupees. So answer is 3. Now next, number 9. 2 coins of 10 rupee is equal to dash coins of 5 rupee and dash coins of 2 rupee. So 2 coin of 10 rupee. There are 2 coins of 10 rupees. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So there are total 20 rupees. Now here dash coins of 5 rupee and dash coins of 2 rupee. Now here we have to take 5 rupee coin also and 2 rupee coin also to make 20 rupee. So first we will take 5 rupee coin. How many 5 rupee coin we will take? 2. First we will take one 5 rupee coin, then another 5 rupee coin. So 5 plus 5 is 10. But we have to make 20 rupee. So we will use 2 rupee coin also. Now we will take one 2 rupee coin. Then we will add to this. So how many rupees happen? 12. Again we will take one more 2 rupee coin and we will add to this. How many rupees happen? 14. Again we will add one more 2 rupees coin and we will add to this. How many happen? 16. Again we will take one more 2 rupees coin and we will add to this. So how many rupees happen? 18. One more 2 rupee coin we will take and we will add to this. How many rupees happen? 20. So how many coins are there of rupees 5? 1 and 2. So 2 coins of 5 rupee and how many coins of 2 rupees? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 coins of 2 rupee. Now next, 2 coin of 50 paise is equal to dash paise. Now we are having 250 paise coin. 250 paise will make 1 rupee, but here they are asking in paise. So 50 plus 50 is 100 paise. So your answer is 100. Now next, 2 coin of 50 paise is equal to dash rupee. Now there are 250 paise coin and here they are asking answer in rupee. So 250 paise will make 1 rupee. So your answer is 1. Now next, 12 number, 1 rupee is equal to dash paise. In 1 rupee, how many paise are there? 100. So your answer is 100 paise. Now next, 13 number, 2 notes of 500 rupee is equal to dash rupee. Now we are having here 500 rupees note. So 2 notes of 500 rupee is equal to dash rupee. So 500 plus 500, total how many rupees are there? 1000 rupees. How? See, 500 plus 500. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 5 plus 5, 10. So how many happen? 1000. So your answer is 1000. Now next, 14 number, 1 note of 2 rupee is equal to dash notes of 50 rupee. Now here there is 1 note of 200 rupee. So here how many notes we need of 50 rupee to make 100 rupee? So first we will take 150 rupee note. Then we will take another 50 rupee note. And we will add to this. 50 plus 50 is 100. We have to make 200 rupee. So again another 50 rupees we will take and we will add into this. How many happen? 150. Another 50 rupee note we will take and we will add into this. How many happen? 200. So how many notes we need? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 notes of 50 rupee we need to make 200 rupee. So your answer is 4. Next, 1 note of 100 rupee is equal to dash notes of 10 rupee. Here there is 1 note of 100 rupee. So here how many notes we need of 10 rupee to make 100 rupee? So first we will take one 10 rupee note. Then we will take another 10 rupee note and we will add into this. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Another 10 rupee note we will take and we will add into this. 20 plus 10, 30. Another 10 rupee note we will take and we will add into this. So 30 plus 10, 40. Another 10 rupee we will we will take and we will add into this. So how many happen? 50. Another 10 rupee note we will take and we will add into this. So 60. Another 10 rupee note we will take, 70. Another 10 rupee note we will take and add into this, 80. Another 10 rupee note we will take, so 90. Another 10 rupee note we will take and we will add into this. How many notes happen? How many total happen? 100. So how many notes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 notes of 10 rupee will make 100 rupees. So your answer is 10. Now next, one note of 100 rupee is equal to dash notes of 50 rupee. So here there is one note of 100 rupee. So how many notes of 50 rupees we need to make 100? So first we will take 150 rupee note. Then we will take one more 50 rupee note. So 50 plus 50 is 100. So how many notes we need? 1 and 2. So your answer is 2.